Hello everyone. In this video you will see how to generate tons of QR codes in just one click with a specific name and line break between each fields. So let's see how it works. Here we have an Excel file in which we have data of all of these employees: John, Yash, Eliza and so on. So from column B to column K, all 10 fields will be covered in QR codes with line breaks and headers. In column B, we have employees' IDs and will name QR codes by these employees' IDs respectively. And from column C to column K, we have their names, surnames, contacts, email IDs, designations, salaries, vehicles, joining date, and addresses. And all of these headers will be displayed in QR codes as well. If you want to change these headers, you can rename them. So for generating QR codes, what we have to do is use shortcut keys Alt plus F8. A macro window will appear. Select Generate QR code. Click here on Run button, and in one click all QR codes will be generated. Here we have opened the path of this Excel file, as all of our QR codes will be generated in this folder. And as you can see here, each QR codes have its precise name, which is employees IDs. Now let's scan these QR codes. We are scanning these codes with mobile device, and here are the results: employee ID, name, surname, contact, email ID, designation, salary, vehicle, joining date and address. All fields are covered in this QR code. You can even see line breaks between each fields. So if you liked this video, please subscribe, like and comment below. For purchasing these codes, kindly see the description below. Thanks for watching. Keep following for more updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.